So if you're someone who's interested in creating a faceless YouTube channel or Instagram Reels for theme pages or any kind of content, then this video is definitely for you. In this video, we are going to show you an incredible technique that allows you to convert text into AI character videos. It's a fun and creative way to bring your words to life, without revealing your face or identity. Before we dive in, make sure you hit subscribe button and also turn on bell notification. So AJ, back to you.
So first of all you need is to visit this website, studio.d-id.com. So I'll leave the website link in the video description. So when you come over to this website, it's going to show you a homepage like this. So all you need firstly is to sign up for an account. So to sign up for an account, all you need here, you need to scroll down to the bottom. As you can see where they wrote guest, then click on it and then click on login/sign up. So it's going to loading. So as you can see, if you have an account, all you need is to input your email address, or if you sign up using your Google account, all you need is to click on continue with Google. But if you don't have an account, all you need is to click on sign up, as you can see down here. So all you need is to choose the way that you're going to create the account, whether you're going to continue with Google account or with LinkedIn, or you're just going to enter your email address and then you create a password. So all you need is to select one of them, and each one is a very good option. So what for me, I already have an account, so I'm going to log into my account right now. So as you can see right now, I have successfully logged into my account, and here are some of the videos that I have created myself. So how this platform works is like they kind of like it's based on a credit system whereby you're gonna have some credit balance in your it's gonna be like a wallet or balance or something like that. So whenever you're going to create a video, they're actually going to charge your credit. So if you want more credit to create more videos, you need to simply click down here and click on upgrade. As you can see, initially when you sign up, you are going to be initially on the trial plan. As you can see right now, I currently have 11 credit left. So if I need more credit, I need to just click on this upgrade button, and it will take me to the page where I can upgrade and get more credit. As you can see, here are the plans. If you need to upgrade your plan, all you need is to simply just select the plan and then go ahead and make the payment. So now let's go back. So now, as you can see, here are some of the videos, like I said before, that I have created. So to create your own videos, all you need is to click on create video, and then right now you are seeing is where you are going to create the video. So first of all, you're going to choose a presenter. They have some pre-made presenters. As you can see, you just need to scroll down a bit and you're going to see all the presenters that they are currently have. As you can see, you just need to select one which you wish to use as a presenter. Let's say for example like this person. So it's currently loading. So as you can see, you can change the format of the video. You can click on here to change the format of the video. And also, if you don't like there are currently AI presenters, you can add your own. You just simply need to click on add. You can simply just select the photo you want to add or something like that. So right now, if maybe like you want to generate your own AI character, all you need is to visit this website, playgroundai.com. So here are some of the thousands of designs made by the AI. So all you need, as you can see at the top button, all you need is to look for what you want. Let's say for example like bald man. So another benefit of this platform is that you can also generate your own AI design. As you can see, here are the pictures, the AI generated characters or designs. As you can see, let's scroll down. I think first of all, let's use this as an example. I'm going to click on it and then I'm going to save the image. Okay, yeah, to my downloads. So right now I'm going to go back to my the studio.d-id. I'm going to click on add presenter, and then I'm going to select the image. As you can see right now, I have successfully added my presenter. As you can see, it has been added to the presenters list. So moving on to the right side of the screen, as you can see, here at the first part is where you are going to write your video script, and also here at the language, here is where you are going to select the language of the AI voice generator. As you can see, if you click on it, it's going to show you tons of languages. As you can see, English Nigeria, English Philippines, and all of that. As you can see, you can also select the voices. As you can see, they have for male and female. You just need to select one. So as you can see, this one currently, let's type something. So now let's preview the voice. All you need is to click on listing. As you can see, when you hover over this sound icon, just click on it, listing. Oh, let me check
Hi, how are you?
Wow, so as you can see, you hear the sound. So this is how this voice sound like. As you can see, so for this language they only have 2 voices, but for many languages there are many. So all you need to, when you input your script, you want to preview the voice, all you need is to click on this listen icon.
Hi, how are you?
As you can see, so if you don't want to write the script, or maybe you already have your own voiceover, all you need is to just click on this audio. As you can see, so all you need is to just upload your own voice. As you can see, if you click on it, it's going to take you to your files where you are going to select the voiceover, and after uploading the voiceover, you just need to click on generate video, and boom, your video will be generated. So what for now, we're going to create a YouTube short motivational video. So I'm going to head over to ChatGPT so that it can write me the script for the video. So as you can see right now, I have copied the script. I'm going to go over to the studio.did and paste the script. So as you can see, it's currently, for the trial plan, it's currently have a maximum of 20 word preview. So if you want more, you can click on upgrade and upgrade your plan. So but for now, after I have uploaded the script and also added this voiceover, and then I'm going to click on generate video. So as you can see right now, it's currently calculating the credit amount, meaning that the amount of the credit that I'm going to be charged. As you can see, the credit that I'm going to be charged is 5 credit, and my current credit is 11 credit. I think this will be enough. So alright, all you need is to click on generate. Okay, it's loading. So before it proceeds, please make sure that if you don't subscribe to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Also turn on bell notification so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a new content like this. So as you can see right now, our video is currently being generated. So let's wait for it. So as you can see right now, our video has been generated. So I'm going to click on it. So for now, I'm just going to download the video, but if you want, you can preview it on the site. So for me, I prefer to download it so that we can play it later on. As you can see, to download it, just click on the download button, and it will be downloaded to your PC or your mobile. So right now, I have solution for people who can't afford to upgrade their phone. You can just simply create multiple accounts if you cannot upgrade your phone, and also if you can set your credit or you run out of credit. So for now, let's wait for it to finish downloading so that we can build.
Welcome to a world of endless possibilities. Today, we embark on a journey to unleash the incredible power within you. Believe in yourself. Trust that you are capable of achieving greatness. Let go of self-doubt, fear, and limitations. Embrace your unique skills and talents.
So hope you do enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on bell notification for videos like this. So see ya.